Check out this 2006 BMW X5. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.